Hi guys, this is Marvin from shopsadapage.com, and today we're going to do a not so massive tech unboxing episode 3 Tronsmart edition. Let's get to it. So if you have noticed, I've already reviewed a couple of products on my channel before, and personally I'm a fan of the brand, and it's awesome that they are generous enough to provide me with these products. But rest assured that if I see anything I don't like or something wrong with these products, I'll give you guys my honest review. So let's start with the unboxing, shall we? So I'm not going to do an unboxing on some of these products because I've already reviewed it, as I've mentioned. So like the Tronsmart Element Splash, two of these I was able to review and show you guys the true wireless stereo mode. And of course we have here the Tronsmart Element T2 and some of their power banks like the Tronsmart PBT12. Let's start with the small products first. Let me just put some of this down. So let's start with this. So this is the Tronsmart C24 mini car charger that supports Volt IQ technology. So this is actually good because the Volt IQ technology is actually efficient. It supports, it provides enough power to your devices without overcharging it. So that's very good. So the output ampere that it supports is 2.4 ampere and 24 watts. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow. So this is actually really tiny. It's actually the size of my thumb. It's super small, but it's very sturdy and robust. So it has two USB port right here. Very good. Alright, so right here we have the Tronsmart C4N1. So this is a 4-in-1 Type-C cable. We're doing an unboxing without a knife. Wow. Box cutter. Thank you, dear. Alright. It looks really nice and the cables are thick enough, and it has a Velcro strap here to keep it in place while you keep it on your bag or your pocket or stuff like that. So it has primarily USB Type-C cable, but it also have an adapter for micro USB and of course the USB Type-A. So the cable again is very thick, as you can see here, and it has a Velcro strap, and let's see how long it is. So the Velcro strap also has like a rubber protection, so it's very nice. So the length of the wire for me is pretty substantial for regular use. Yes, 1 meter. So as per my wife, the length of this cable is 1 meter. So don't quote me on that, quote her. Let's move on. So the next cable right here. So I've mentioned that the 4-in-1 cable right there doesn't have the lightning cable. So right here we have the Tronsmart LTA12. So this is a lightning cable, but I think there's a special lightning cable here. Now we have the actual length of this cable. This is a 1.2 meter or 4 feet cable. So it uses Kevlar fiber, and it's actually a fast charging cable at 2.4 ampere. So the cable is actually high quality. And again, as I've mentioned, it is 1.4 meter long. This is for iPhone devices, obviously, with the lightning cable. What's good about this is the cable is actually strong. We all know that the standard cable for the iPhone or the lightning devices are easy to break. So I think this one is not going to break that easily, as I can see here. I think you can actually pull a car using this cable, or but yeah, the cable quality is pretty good. Alright, moving on. Let's see another cable right here. So this one is a 3-in-1 USB-A to micro USB, lightning, and USB-C cable. This is the Tronsmart LAC10. So this supports 3 ampere charging with data transfer of up to 480 Mbps speed. It also looks like it's a Kevlar protected as well, nylon braiding cable right here. It also has the same Velcro strap right here. And how long is this? So this is actually 1.2 meter or 4 feet like the lightning cable. It's strong, as you can see, just like the lightning cable. But this one is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A with a lightning cable right here. If I just oh no, actually this a USB Type C to USB Type A, but it actually has a what? I'm sorry. So sorry guys. This actually a micro USB cable to a USB Type A cable with an adapter for USB Type C and adapter for a lightning cable. A lightning cable right here. I think this is the only cable that you need. So yeah. I think this is the video where I laugh the most. Alright, moving on. So right here we have a USB Type-C cable. This is the Tronsmart 80C6. This is 1 meter with Kevlar fiber as well. And supports charging and data, of course. It looks like it has the warranty card down there, and looks like it has the same Kevlar nylon braided protection that we've seen from the previous cables. This is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, and again it's 1 meter, so again it's substantial enough for your needs. And I think I will benefit greatly with this because the standard USB Type-C cable that comes with the Tronsmart PBT12 is actually quite short, as you can see here. So I will be able to benefit with this. I can partner this with the PBT12. And with the USB Type-C, the PBT12 actually supports fast charging or fast recharging. So you can charge this. This is a 10,400 milliampere power bank, but you can recharge this just for around 4 hours. So that's super fast and convenient if you want to charge your device on the go. So here, thank you. So I think we're done with the cables, guys. We just have one small adapter right here. So right here we have the Tronsmart CTMF. So this is a Type-C male to micro B female adapter. So right here we actually have 2 of these. So basically you plug in your micro USB cable here, and then it will be converted into a USB Type-C. Pretty straightforward. So right here, this is the part where I'm excited about. We have here 2 wireless headphones. The first one is the Encore Spunky Buds. This is where I am super excited because I want to use this. And we have here the Encore Hydra wireless headphones. So let's start with the Encore Hydra. So I'm going to do a proper unboxing and full review for these 2 headphones, but let's do a quick unboxing right here for you guys. So here we have the Tronsmart Hydra wireless headphones. This is actually the first time that I'm going to be able to use something like this. So we have here the Bluetooth headphones itself, a user manual, and of course the warranty card. Pretty standard for a Tronsmart packaging right here. So we have here the pouch. So yeah, I'm not sure if this headphones will fit in this, but we have the pouch. So the inside the pouch we have the micro USB cable for charging and some replacement earbuds right here. Do you think this will fit? Yeah, I think so. Let's take a closer look on the Tronsmart Hydra. On the right side, we have the function buttons right here, I think. And we also have the forward and back. And I guess I'm assuming that it's also doubles as the volume buttons right here. And I think this is the microphone. On the left side, we only have the micro USB port for charging. Again, this is the left side and the right side. So what... Okay, what's good about this is that your inline controls are on the earbuds itself, and you don't have something like for example this one. This one has an inline control, and what I don't like about this, sometimes it interferes with your movements, and sometimes the right earbuds falls off because of the weight. That is just something that I don't like about this. But with this, guys, especially if you're going to work out using this earbuds, there's no way this is going to fall on your ears. So if you're working out this is the best option for you guys. So last but not the least, we have here the Tronsmart Encore Spunky Buds wireless headphones. It's IPX5 water resistant and support true wireless stereo mode. Inside the package, we have the Tronsmart Spunky Buds casing right here. And we have some other packaging right here. So inside the box, we have, of course, the usual packaging. We have the user manual and the warranty card. And we have the cable as well as some replacement tips right here. Finally, we have the Tronsmart Spunky Buds wireless headphones right here. So I think we have here the micro USB port for charging, LED indicator, and the button for opening the casing itself. Yeah. Isn't this satisfying, guys? Look. Woo. It's like you have a fidget spinner right here. So inside we have the two Tronsmart Spunky Buds earbuds. The left and right. We have the charging pins right here. It is actually magnetic. You can see there. So once you remove it, I believe it's going to go on pairing mode. The LED light will turn blue, and then you just have to turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and pair it, and you're good to go. What's good about this design is that you're basically untethered on your device. No wires whatsoever. So you just simply put the earbuds like so, and then there's no wire. So basically, it's pretty nice experience if you're going to walk, run, commute, or anything that you want to do without thinking about the wires, and just simply enjoy your music. You don't have this inline controls, but you have these touch sensitive controls right here on the left and right. Hold them apart. You have the left and right touch buttons. So basically, I believe you just simply push or tap once for play, tap twice for previous track. But don't worry, guys, I'm going to make a proper video review about this, and I'm excited to do that. And yeah, so there you have it. We have here the casing, and both of these earbuds actually have their own battery. Of course, they have 50 milliampere battery on each of the Bluetooth earbuds, and the casing itself, I think, also has a battery of around 470 milliampere. So if you run out of juice, you can just simply pop the earbuds inside, and you'll be able to recharge the Bluetooth earbuds and use it again. Wait for the full review about this, guys, if you're interested in this. But I'm excited to use this as my daily Bluetooth earbuds to zone out those stresses when I'm commuting or going to the mall where there's a lot of people. So this is going to be a lifesaver, much like the wireless earphone that I'm using before, the Huawei A980BL. So watch out again for the final review on this, and that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you see anything you like on this video, I'll put all the links below so you can check it out. It's going to be a link to the direct shop for the Tronsmart official store where you can get these items. I'm sorry if this video is a little bit awkward or cringy. Again, this is the first time that I record a video with my wife on the side right here, helping me with this thing. So thank you. Comment down below if you like this kind of video on my future unboxing, guys. So thank you. Make sure to check I'm not sure if I'm going to do an article about this, because I'm going to do an article for each of these products. So just subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Thank you. Have a great day.